Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction. I am your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget. And my co-host is Shay from Shay's Creative Design. And today's episode is entitled The Mardi Gras Tablescape Collaboration of 2025. Now we have simple rules, and the rules are: number 1, follow proper collaboration protocol. Number 2, decorate your table for Mardi Gras. Number 3, use the title Mardi Gras Tablescape Collaboration 2025 Fat Tuesday. Number 4, mention all host and co-host channels in your video and link them in your description box. Number 5, we would love for you to be a subscriber to our channel. Number 6, use the hashtag Mardi Gras Tablescape 2025 in your title and in your description. Number 7, there will be a twist. You must include beads in this collaboration. Number 8, there will be a playlist available to add your videos. Number 9, have fun doing the collaboration. The collaboration date will be February 8th, 2025. And the times are 4:45 p.m. Central Standard or 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this collaboration, please contact me on IG at CreativelyMsMe, and I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. See you there.